In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw USDT from OKX. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. So if you haven't done it yet, download the OKX app or simply go to okex.com and sign up. Once you have successfully created your account, log in using your credentials. And the next thing we need to do is there are two withdrawal methods in OKX. Number one is the withdraw crypto internal, which is free. Transfer crypto instantly with zero fees within the OKX platform. The second one is the on-chain. You transfer crypto via the network to a wallet or an exchange, all right? Now, we're going to explore how to do that in the internal, which is free, by the way. Simply open your OKX app, select transfer and withdraw right here, this button down below. Select transfer from the app, all right? Withdraw. Select the available crypto you want to withdraw, which is, of course, USDT, right? By selecting either the email, phone number, sub-account, or UID in the select recipient field, and enter the recipient's detail by selecting it from the address book or manually filling in the details, right? Something like this one. Phone number, email, sub-account, and UID. Enter the withdrawal amount and select submit, and complete the 2FA verification process and select confirm. Your withdrawal order will be submitted. Something like this one, guys. Make sure that you've entered a valid withdrawal address, otherwise it could lead to a deposit failure and it's not reversible, right? Now, the second method is on-chain. Simply, it's the same thing. Open your OKX app, select transfer and withdraw. The button down below, select transfer from the app. Here, select withdraw and select the network that you want to withdraw, which is, of course, OKX. And the crypto is USDT. Select on-chain as your withdrawal process, right? Earlier that was internal, free, and then now it's going to be on-chain. Select the available crypto you want to withdraw, which is USDT. Enter the address or scan the address code in the address domain field. Select the network in the network field. Enter the withdrawal amount and select submit. Verify the withdrawal details, something like this one, guys, and complete the 2FA verification and select confirm. Your withdrawal order will be submitted, all right? And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you all in the next video.